Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review and setup on my new electric 2-burner hot plate. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. There it is again. Got the user manual right there. Check this out. Very, very nice. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up and actually try it out. Okay, so here's a closer look at the hot plate. It's compact, simple, and ready to go. What's cool is it has an aluminum heating plate, so you don't get that white smoke when you first use it. It is safer and better for the environment too. The thing heats up fast. The 2 burners are powerful. One's 1,000 watts and the other is 800 watts. You can adjust the heat with 5 settings, which is good for cooking anything from boiling water, as you can see, and even frying chicken. The best part, it works with any cookware. You can use whatever pots and pans you already have. Aluminum, cast iron, stainless steel, it doesn't matter. No special cookware needed. As you can see, the water is at the max setting and it is starting to boil, and the chicken is cooking evenly. It's super efficient, so you're not wasting no energy or time. Cleanup is easy too. Once it cools down, just wipe it down with the cloth and you're good to go. All right, so as you can see, got some water boiling, and I put a little bit of chicken on this one, and it is warming up. I don't even have it at the max. The water I do have at the max, and you can start seeing that it's boiling up. So I do like that, how quickly you can get something up and going. And it's literally plug and play like I showed you. Just hit this button right here and then you're literally good to go. But I do like how convenient it is. So especially if you're going like camping, anything outdoors, it's heating up, but it's not making a whole lot of noise. So I do like that feature as well. It's getting pretty hot. So if you guys are looking for a new 2-burner hot plate, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. I highly recommend.